Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about types of matrices. Let's start with row matrix, also called as row vector. A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. Example, here is 1, 2, 3 or 11, 12, 13, 14 are the row matrix with the order 1 cross 3 and 1 cross 4 respectively. Order of the row matrix is 1 cross n where n is greater than equal to 1. Column matrix or column vector. A matrix having only one column is called a column matrix. For example, 1, 2, 3 matrix with order 3 cross 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. A matrix with order 4 cross 1 are the column matrix. Column matrix has the order n cross 1, where n is greater than equal to 1. Zero matrix or null matrix, a matrix in which every element is 0 is called a zero matrix or null matrix. It is denoted by O. Let's O1 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 is the matrix with order 2 cross 2. Let's take O2 is equal to 0, 0 matrix with order 1 cross 2. Let's take O3 0, 0, 0 a matrix with order 3 cross 1. Square matrix, a matrix with equal number of rows and columns is called a square matrix. Or a matrix of order n cross n is also called a square matrix. Let's take example 1, 2, 3, 4. A matrix with order 2 cross 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A matrix with order 3 cross 3. Or 1 is a matrix with order 1 cross 1 are the square matrix. Square matrix has the order n cross n. Now diagonal matrix. A square matrix in which every non-diagonal element is 0 is called diagonal matrix. Let's take a square matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4 are diagonal element. For a diagonal matrix, we need non-diagonal element are 0. A matrix is a diagonal matrix. B is equal to 4, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 6. B is also a diagonal matrix where the non-diagonal element are 0. Let's take one more example. C is equal to 11, 0, 0, 12. D is equal to 1, 0, 0, 2. Here are A, B, C, D are diagonal matrix. Now, scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are same is called a scalar matrix. Example, in scalar matrix we need all diagonal elements are same. Now take an example 1 0 0 1, 2 0 0 2, 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11 are the scalar matrices. Next type is identity matrix. This is the most important type. A scalar matrix in which all diagonal elements are 1 is called an identity matrix. Identity matrix of order n is denoted by In. Let's take n is equal to 2 where I2 is the matrix with all diagonal element are 1 and non-diagonal element are 0. Let's take example I3 is equal to diagonal element are 1 and non-diagonal element are 0. Similarly I4 where diagonal element are 1 and non-diagonal element are zeros. I1 is equal to 1. Now, upper triangular matrix, a square matrix in which every element below the diagonal element is 0 is called upper triangular matrix. Every element below the diagonal element is 0. Now, take an example where 1, 2, 0, 3 below diagonal element are 0. Let's take another example 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. Let's take another example 4, 5, 7, 0, 3, 2, 0, 0, 1. These all are upper triangular matrix. Here below the diagonal element are 0. Now lower triangular matrix, a square matrix in which every element above the diagonal element is 0. Now take an example 1, 0, 2, 3 where above the diagonal element are 0. Next example 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Another one example 11, 0, 0, 0, 12, 0, 13, 14, 15. These all are lower triangular matrix where all above the diagonal element are 0. In the next video, we will learn about addition of matrix and multiplication of a matrix by a scalar.